Hey, what's up guys? Welcome. So I haven't been making videos for the last couple of days because there's a lot of construction and renovation type of work going on in my house and I have been super busy. Plus if I somehow get time to make videos, there's the continuous construction voices like dum 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 drrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr the Google Pixel 4 was leaked by freaking Google itself. Boy, that was awkward and awesome. Now we have our first hands-on leaked images of the Google Pixel 4 XL. We can see our handset featuring the same squarish camera design which we have seen in the previous renders and even from Google itself. We have two cameras in the Pikachu's face, which looks, and I hate to say it, but the Pikachu face stuff looks kind of cool. I earlier said that this is the Pixel 4 XL because it looks bigger. Looking at the size of the guy's hand and the smartphone and comparing it, it's a bit too much bigger to be the smaller Pixel 4, so I assume that this is the Pixel 4 XL. There has been some rumors that Google is testing 3 devices and one of them is going to be the final design for the Pixel 4 and the 4 XL, and this design which we see here is one of those 3. But some are speculating that this is not the final one and one of those other 2s is going to be the final design. Well, that might be true, but I don't think it is. Personally, I think that it is the final deal because Google wouldn't have taken such a huge step by leaking a potential candidate if this wasn't the selected version. You guys can believe otherwise, but I still think that this is the full and final version. OnlyX posted the Pixel 4 renders and basically it is a miniature version of the 4 XL, nothing interesting to talk about here. Also we have some CAD drawings. These are just confirming the old design which we know, the earpiece in the middle, the square camera box on the back. It's usual for CAD drawings to not include the camera and the sensors, so the lack of front camera from these CAD drawings doesn't necessarily mean that these are fake. We see the same design at the bottom with USB-C, secondary speaker, microphone. Then we have our power button, volume rockers, and this is all these CAD drawings reveal. Let us know your thoughts on these leaked images. Make sure to subscribe, and as always guys, peace out.